Do you want to learn hiragana but every time you see these, your brain just goes 2 mini squiggly noodles? Well, good news! Hiragana is actually super easy to learn. And I'm going to show you exactly how to master all 46 characters in just 1 month, even if you never studied Japanese before. Okay, before we start, let's destroy one myth. Japanese writing is not impossible. Hiragana is actually super logical. And once you understand how it's built, it suddenly makes sense. Only 46 characters. That's it. No thousands like kanjis, just 46. Each one represents a sound, not a meaning. So once you know them, you can read anything written in hiragana. Even if you don't know the vocabulary yet, every character always sounds the same. Unlike English, where these can sound like cat, cake, father. In Japanese, a is always a. One sound and no surprises. Each row combines a consonant and a vowel. After the 5 vowels, a, I, U, E, O, the rest of the chart combines those vowels with consonants. So for example, the K row will be ka, ki, ku, ke, ko. S row will be sa, shi, su, se, so. T row, ta, chi, tsu, te, to. So instead of memorizing 46 random shapes, you're really learning a pattern. 5 vowels and few consonants combination. Once you spot that pattern, hiragana becomes easy and even kind of fun. And maybe you notice something interesting here. Not every hiragana follows simple consonant and vowel pattern. For example, we have shi isn't si, tsu isn't tu, fu isn't hu. That's because si, ti, tu, hu don't actually exist in natural Japanese conversation. So instead, the sound changes slightly over time to what feels natural to Japanese speakers. It's one of those moments where you realize Japanese isn't random. It just follows its own rhythm. So here's a little trick. If you ever forgot the order, just remember akasatana, hamayarawa. Akasatana, hamayarawa. That's the Japanese traditional order. It's like the Japanese ABC. Okay, now let's get practical. Week 1. In week 1, we start with the basic. A, I, U, E, O, ka, ki, ku, ke, ko, sa, shi, su, se, so. That's 15 characters total. Your goal this week is simple. Recognize and remember them. Study around 5 a day. To make it fun, use mnemonics. Like A looks like an apple. I looks like 2 lines of ice cream. Ki looks like a key. Kinda, right? Can you see that? It can be anything, just use your imagination. And to make your study even easier, I made a free PDF of Hiragana Mnemonics to help you remember every character faster. If you go to my Instagram and comment Hiragana under my video, I will send you the link. And if you want my 4 weeks Hiragana study plan with daily goals and practice ideas, just comment 4 plan and I will also send it to you. Write each character 10 times. Use flashcards or apps like Anki, Quizlet, and start reading mini words like sushi, kasa, kaki. Week 2. In week 2, you will learn tachitsute to naninune no. And you can start reading real words now. For example, neko, tonakai, tanuki. Week 3. This week, add 3 new groups. Ha, hi, fu, he, ho, ma, mi, mu, me, mo, ya, yu, yo. Important, keep reviewing the older ones while adding the new ones. Week 4. In the last week, you will learn the final group. Da, di, du, de, do, wa, wo, n. But there's more. This week, we also unlock the special hiragana marks. Dakuten, Handakuten, and Small Kana. So, what's Dakuten? Dakuten looks like 2 little dots next to the character, kind of like quotation mark. They make the sound voiced. Ka, ga, ki, gi, ku, gu, ke, ge, ko, go. Put your hand on your throat and say ka and ga. Hear the vibration? That's Dakuten. It worked with several lines. K line changed to G line, S line changed to Z line, T line changed to D line, H line changed to B line. For example, sa, za, shi, ji, ta, da, te, de. G and G, zu, z. They sound the same for most speakers, so use spelling rules. G and Z are just rare versions, using words like hanaji, tsuzuku. Next is the Handakuten, the little circle symbol. It only appears with H line and turns H to P, so will be ha, pa, hi, pi, hu, pu, he, pe, ho, po. Think of it like a puff of air. The Small Kana. They're a small version of ya, you, yo, and when you attach them to the certain kana, you create smooth, blended sound. For example, take an I row of kana like ki, shi, chi, and add small ya, you, yo. Don't say them separately. It's not ki ya, it's kya. It's not shi yo, it's sho. You'll see these in real words like 写真, 教科書, 旅行. Finally, the small tsu. It doesn't have a sound by itself. Instead, it means you pause slightly before the next consonant, like a mini hiccup. 学校, 来て, 待って. Listen closely. 待って has 2 beats. 待って has 3 beats. 待て, 待って, 待て, 待って. Okay, let's recap. Dakuten add voice. Handakuten adds a puff. Small kana blends sounds. And a small tsu adds a pause for a double consonant. Study tips that actually works. Here, how to make hiragana stick and actually have fun while learning. Number 1. Use mnemonics. Your brain loves weird stories. The funnier, the better. Number 2. Write by hand. Even though you don't need to write hiragana to read Japanese, writing down makes it so much easier to memorize. When you write, you use your hand, your eye, and your memory together. It's like muscle memory for your brain. So write each character a few times while saying it out loud. Number 3. Use words and phrases you already know. Instead of random syllables, connect hiragana to real expressions. Like これください. ちょっと待って. ありがとう. Write them out and read them slowly. Number 4. Reading context. Label things in your house, like 水 on your water, 箱 on your box, 花 to your flowers. Number 5. Listen to hiragana songs. They're catchy and perfect for pronunciation. And last one, no romaji after week 2. Romaji is like training wheel, helpful at first, but if you never take them off, you will never write freely. Go full hiragana early. So that's it. 1 month, 46 characters. And you can officially read Japanese. It's not about talent, it's about consistency. Just 15 to 20 minutes a day, it's enough. So grab your notebook and start today. Don't forget to subscribe and let me know in the comments which hiragana do you find the hardest. Thank you for watching until the end. じゃあ、またね